Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make these beetroots today, or beets as many of you call them. Spicy, Indian, vegetarian, vegan, really delicious. And it's easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in my pan I've got some oil. I'm using coconut oil today. And I've got about 4 or 5 tablespoons. There's quite a lot of oil. You might want to reduce that down. We're going to drop in 3 cups of our beetroot. Teaspoon of cumin seeds and maybe half a cup of curry leaves. Now you can see what I've done with the beetroot. I've kind of chipped it, you know what I mean? It's kind of in that size. I would recommend cutting it fairly small because it takes quite a long time to cook, but you know, you could do it larger if you wanted to. So medium heat, we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes here. 4 to 5 minutes, giving this beetroot a nice head start. And you can see that I've put in there curry leaves. They're fresh curry leaves. A lot of you won't be able to get them. I get a lot of emails about that. You might be able to get them dried, and there is nothing that will really replace them, so you'll just have to leave it out. Now we're going to add our onion. So we're going to add 1 cup of onion. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 blend of the two. I'm going to add some fresh chili now. Now I'm adding my chilies in whole. You don't have to. I'm putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Now I've not chopped them or anything, so they're going to kind of not be that hot. I mean hot but not hot. If you chop it, it's going to get hotter. So you might want to put, you know, maybe 3 in here if you're going to chop it. We're going to add some salt, and we're going to go now for another 4 to 5 minutes again on this medium heat. Really fabulous. Let's get some spices on the go. So look here, I've got a teaspoon each. Always call this the big 4 if you're regular to the show. We've got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander powders. If you don't have those, you could of course just use a curry powder blend that you might have. I do think that these separate spices are a little bit better. Then I've got 400 ml of coconut milk. We're now going to lower the heat, not to a simmer but above a simmer, and we're going to go for around 5 to 6 more minutes until the beets are really nice and tender. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely beautiful, really vibrant colour, nice and spicy, delicious. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine for me. If you wanted, you could put a little bit of cilantro or coriander in there and give it a mix. I'm happy just like that today. And there we have it. Just really creamy, beautiful, spicy beetroots. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon. You can get it in an ebook. $3.99. Very cheap. 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that. It helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.